Welcome to Rankteach. Today we will learn how to change the URL and username of a Facebook page. This is the URL of the Facebook page. First, go to Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. Select Page Setup. Click on the View button to change the page name and username. You can change the page name from here. Click on the Edit button to change the URL and username. Please provide a unique name without any space. You can use only letters and numbers for it. Click Save. Now enter your Facebook ID's password. Then click Submit. Now see the URL and username of the Facebook page already changed. Subscribe to learn everything about Facebook from us. Thank you.